After the age of 40, many men begin to notice subtle changes in their body. Energy isn't as steady, digestion slows down, recovery takes longer than it used to. Often, it's not about a serious problem, it's about daily habits. One simple habit that has been used for generations is lemon and honey in the morning. Taken together, lemon and honey support the body in a gentle but effective way. Lemon helps stimulate digestion and supports liver function. After 40, the body benefits greatly from better digestion because nutrient absorption directly affects energy levels. Honey provides natural fuel. Unlike refined sugar, it delivers energy more steadily and supports the nervous system without sharp spikes or crashes. Another key benefit is hydration. Starting the day with warm water, lemon, and honey helps wake up the body and supports circulation. This combination also supports immunity and reduces internal stress. Chronic stress quietly drains energy and affects male vitality as men age. Is lemon and honey a miracle cure? No. But when used consistently, it supports the systems that matter most after 40: digestion, hydration, energy balance, and recovery. How should men use it? Every morning, mix the juice of half a lemon with 1 teaspoon of natural honey in warm water. Drink it slowly on an empty stomach. No supplements, no complicated routines, just a simple habit repeated daily. If you're a man over 40 looking for a natural way to support your body each morning, lemon and honey is a habit worth trying.